Hi, I'm Kristy, and I'm back with the Recipe Tin project, where I cook my way through this antique tin of recipes. Today, we're making grasshopper pie, which I've heard of but never had, so let's get started. This one is kind of on like a craft paper style unlined index card with tiny cursive that's a little hard to read but not impossible. The ingredients and the directions are kind of mixed together, which should be fun. The first step is to melt precisely 36 marshmallows and some milk in a double boiler. We're using a pot with water and a glass full. Marshmallows is spelled wrong, I think. I just like it when there's a little misspelling or something. It adds character. Okay, I'm gonna carefully set this over the top. Then we add a half cup milk and we melt them. Okay, it is all melted. We're gonna wait for it to cool a little bit and then we move on to the next step. All right, we have our melted marshmallows, and then it calls for a pint of whipped cream, which we fold into the melted marshmallow mixture. I made a little bit extra to put on the top because that seemed like a good idea. Fold that in, and then it calls for a shot of creme de cacao and creme de menthe. So it's gonna have kind of a chocolatey mint flavor, which sounds delicious. And then you pour this in this Oreo cookie crust and chill it. So I'm just folding this in, almost done. Now for these. Actually, this person calls it cream de cocoa and cream of mint. So it's not even the fancy way of saying it. And mint is very vibrant green. Oh, it smells so minty. My arm's getting sore. Right, that is finally folded in. It smells minty. And then we just pour it into the crust and freeze until ready to use. That's a weird pale green. Okay, that's it for now. All right, here's the pie. It's been in the freezer for a couple hours. I added a little whipped cream and some chocolate shavings. Let's give it a try. We are back to taste this grasshopper pie, and I have my daughter Ada joining me today, and she's gonna tell you what we think. Get in there. I love it. It tastes kind of like mint chocolate chip ice cream, but without chocolate chips in the middle. What do you think?
Tastes like melted.
It tastes like melted mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Do you like it? Do you like it, Ada?
Kind of.
Kind of. I think it's great. Refreshing and light. I would make that again. That's a Recipe Tin project win. Thanks for joining us today. See, she wants more.